Jobs data comes in stronger than expected, and Ripple applies for a national banking license. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. The U.S. economy added a stronger than expected 147,000 jobs in June, with the unemployment rate falling to 4.1%. Bitcoin dipped modestly in the minutes following the report's release after a steady climb higher, which saw the largest cryptocurrency by market cap top $110,000. At time of recording, Bitcoin was at around $109,000. Market participants are closely monitoring economic data for signals about the Fed Reserve's next move. While there's been some chatter from at least a couple of Fed officials about a July rate cut, Chairman Jerome Powell has remained insistent that the economy is in a good spot and the central bank can thus stay patient as it considers the need for monetary ease. Leaders at the SEC are reviewing the agency's recent approval of a Grayscale application to turn the digital large cap fund into an ETF. The GDLC holds $755 million in Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, Sol, and ADA. This halt indicates that the SEC's commissioners did not vote to approve the conversion, but rather the agency staff gave the sign-off. In a letter dated July 1st, the SEC said it would let the New York Stock Exchange know of any pertinent action taken by the commission. Spokespeople for Grayscale and the New York Stock Exchange did not immediately return a request for comment, and an SEC spokesperson declined to comment on the letter. And Ripple has applied for a national banking license at the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. The license would allow the company to expand its crypto services and operate across state lines under federal regulation. Ripple's application comes after USDC issuer Circle also filed for a similar license earlier this week, a sign that stablecoin companies are seeking federal oversight as U.S. legislation advances. Ripple issues the $440 million RLUSD stablecoin regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services. As of this morning, XRP is up more than 5%, trading just below the $2.30 level. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.